A very good morning to all my dear students. In previous video we have discussed about characteristics of the teeth, but today we will discuss about types of human teeth. Types of human teeth. Okay students, types of human teeth. First of all students, the human teeth are specialized for beating. Specialized for beating. Beating, specialized for beating, cutting, beating, cutting, tearing, beating, cutting, tearing, chewing and mastication. And mastication. Okay, the human teeth are specialized for beating, cutting, tearing, chewing and mastication. Based on their functions, they are of the four types. Students, here there are four types of teeth. First is incisor. First is incisor. Second is canine. Canine. Third is premolar. Third is molar. Okay, third is molar. First is incisor, second is canine, third is premolar and fourth is molar. Okay students, first of all we will discuss about incisor. Incisor. Incisors. Okay, incisors are four front teeth. Four front teeth. Four front teeth. Four front teeth. Okay students, four front, four is in upper jaw and four in lower jaw. Okay, incisor, the total number of teeth in milk teeth or in child teeth is 8 and in permanent teeth is also 8. Okay, so students, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are all incisor. These are all incisors. Okay, four teeth in upper jaw and 4 teeth in lower jaw. The total number of teeth in both jaw is 8. 8 in milk teeth and 8 in permanent teeth. Okay, now they have single root and short. They have single root. They have single root. Root and short. And short. Okay, this is a incisor. Incisors have single root and single root canal and it is short. These are all is incisor. Okay, okay students, now flat chisel shaped edges, they are adopted for beating and cutting. They are adopted for beating and cutting. Okay, incisors are adopted for beating and cutting. Okay students, they have single roots and short. Now second is canine. Second is canine. Canine. First is incisor, second is canine. They are 4 in number. They are 4 in number. 4 in number in each jaw. In each jaw. Okay. So its total number is 8. Here canine. No, not each jaw. Okay, not in each jaw. Its total number is 4 in. They are 4 in number. They are 4 in number only. Okay, 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. Okay, 2 in upper jaw, 1, 2. This is a canine and this is a canine. Side of the incisor, canine are found. Okay, this is a canine and here is canine, and these are all incisor. So 2 is 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. Its total number is 4. Okay, total number is 4. Now one on either side of incisor in each upper and lower jaw, conical in shape. Canine is conical in shape. Conical in shape. Okay, conical in shape, single root. It's have single root. It's have single root. It's have single roots. Okay students, single roots and single root canal. Okay, these here this is called canine. Okay, used for holding and tearing. They used for holding and tearing. Okay students, canine are used for holding and tearing of the food, tearing of the food. Okay, its number is here 4 and 4. Okay, 4 and 4. It means that canine is found in 4 in milk teeth and 4 in permanent teeth. P for permanent teeth. Canines are found in 4 in number in milk teeth and 4 in permanent teeth. Okay students, now next is premolar and molar. Premolar and molar. Premolar and molar. Here this is a premolar and this is a molar. You can write here premolar and molar. In milk teeth, no premolar are found. Okay, but in permanent teeth, the number of premolar is 8. Okay, Okay students, this is a premolar teeth. 2 is here and 2 is here. Okay, 2 2 4 and here 2 2 4. So here 4 premolar in upper jaw and 4 premolar in lower jaw, and its total number is 8 in permanent teeth. Okay students, now they are called check teeth. Check teeth. Okay, they are called check teeth. They are similar in structure, but molars are broader and appears only in permanent dentition. Only in permanent dentition. Molar is appear in permanent dentition. Okay. Now permanent dentition, they have broad humped upper surface. The humps are called cusps. The humps are called cusps. Okay, cusps. Okay, the humps are called cusps, whose number may vary from 1 to 3. The premolars have 2 cusps. The premolar have 2 cusps, so it is called bicuspid. Okay, so it is called bicuspid. When the number of cusp is 3, then it is called tricuspid. Okay, bicuspid, when 2 cusps are found, that is called bicuspid, and when 3 cusps are found, that is called tricuspid. Okay, now the premolar have 1 to 2 roots. The premolar have 1 to 2 root. 1 to 2 roots. Okay, 1 to 2 roots, but in molar have 2 to 3 roots. But in molar have 2 to 3 roots. Okay, it's have 2 to 3 roots. Okay, it is adapted to mashing, crushing and grinding. Okay, mashing, first is mashing, crushing and grinding. Okay, grinding, mashing, okay, mashing, crushing and grinding. They used in mashing, crushing and grinding. Okay students, here molar is found in milk teeth. Okay, milk teeth and permanent teeth. Molar is found in both teeth. Its number is in milk teeth or 8. Okay, 8 and here 12. Okay, this is called molar. 3 is here. Now 3 is here. Okay, 3 is here and 3 is here. So these are all 6 in upper jaw and 6 in lower jaw. So its total number is 12. So its total number is 12. The premolars, not premolars, molar. The total numbers of molar is, yes, 12. Okay, total numbers of molar is 12, and total numbers of molar, you can see here, total numbers of molar in permanent teeth is 12 and milk teeth in 8. Okay, but premolar is not found in milk teeth or child teeth. Okay students, so students, we have discussed about incisor, canine, premolar and molar teeth. Thank you, very thank you. In next video we have discussed about the formula of teeth. Thank you, very thank you.